Buying a name brand vacuum was probably the biggest regret of my 20s. Honestly, super embarrassing for the name brand. This thing can't even stand up properly by itself. This is my personal favorite cordless vacuum because it has the most powerful suction, has a headlamp, and it's only $100. Here's a cat litter test for the both of them. These Dylan vacuums used to be the best, but I think it got to their heads. I paid $800 just to have a headlamp, but the vacuum stopped working after 3 months. Then we have to do the shake test. While the name brand suction power isn't bad, it's not able to keep what it sucks inside. If you want to get yourself one of these, this is the cheapest I've seen them because they're running a flash sale that's ending today. I included a link for it down below.